Audi? Maybe put it right here?
Yeah.
I don't have logo. Oh, él sirvió en el army. He served in the army, Mexico.
Really?
Yeah, Special Forces of Mexico. He was in the good team. In Guatemala, they call him caibiles. You have to do a lot of things to be in that team, caibiles. What age you start to be in the army?
18
Y terminó, and you.
a los 21.
He served 3 years in Mexico. He put his life online for Mexico, right?
Yeah.
But at that time, no war. Hello, Big is watching me. He come and he say, Luis, go back to work. Look, Big's face. Big, Luis, go back to work.
Finish the car. Hurry up.
He has like my face.
Come on, man.
I'm his slave. Look, Big.
There's something missing here.
Hey, Big.
Hurry up. It's not big.
I call you all the time.
Can you
Big.
hurry up?
You like the win? I win.
Now it's 3:20 p.m. We have about 2 hours and a little bit over 2 hours to go for today. We have a lot of work to do still. You guys can see behind me, there's so many cars in line. We're trying to get them out as much as possible. There's a lot in front. Sarkis is all having a cigarette over there. So it's a busy day today. Everyone's probably doing their own thing, working, trying to get, yeah, it's got to be an NFT day, man. NFTs. I still don't have one because I don't know. No one's helping me, by the way. There was so many promises that were made, but nothing happened. I still don't have an NFT, which sucks. So yeah, I have to talk to the guys about that. I'm waiting for them to come downstairs. So leave a comment, you guys, if you think Sarkis and I deserve an NFT. If you guys think we deserve an NFT, me and Sarkis, let us know. And we do read all the comments, by the way. Yeah, so thank you for the nice ones, and for the bad ones, we still love you.
Bah! Wait. Espérate ahí, espérate.
What are you guys doing?
We're waiting for the car.
There you gone. As soon as you said it, fired it right up.
Special project right here. This is an Audi R8. This is not Gen 2, this is Gen 1 Audi R8. But look how pretty she looks. This thing has a full prior design wide body kit. That was a disaster. All right, prior design has not helped us out. We got the kit, it took about 6 months to get the kit, and the kit came badly damaged. The kit had many defects, would not fit right. The parts quality was just terrible. And you guys already know over here at RDB, we are very blunt and open with our stuff. I don't care whose brand it is or what, we'll tell you the truth. And prior design, sorry to say, you get what you pay for, and they don't want to help us out as far as all the extra labor we put into there to fix it for the client. We're not going to go back to the client and tell them, hey, your kit came messed up, so we're going to charge you more. No, instead we did all the right stuff. We made it fit right. We sent extra labor, probably 2 or 3 times the amount that we wanted to, just to fix it up. But boy, did it come out good. This thing looks almost like factory, as Joe was explaining. He thought it was a stock R8 with wheels, but no, this is actually a wide body kit. The front, hood, bumper, flares, quarter panels, everything is replaced. Even those side vents are replaced because it is significantly wider. And look at this thing. It's super clean and white, obviously white and gloss black theme. It was hell, but we got it done right. Looks amazing. Custom wheels, which actually we're waiting for the center caps because the customer had other wheels on there and lost his OEM caps. So we got to put the OEM caps on there still. We also have a roof scoop. The roof scoop is non-functional. For now, we don't have it on. I think it's super clean, but we might put it on. It's black, so we're gonna wrap the roof black and put the roof scoop on. It also has that big wing right there, which actually fits really well on this car. It's not too big, and it's perfect amount, I honestly think. So it has that little race look, but at the same time, it's still super clean. A little bit more work we have to do on it. So again, we're kind of jumping the gun, showing you guys this, and it got a little dark, but we have a little bit more black accents to put on there. Like I said, we have to dial in the suspension. It is slammed right now. I honestly think it's perfect, but we have to do a few little minor fixes. This thing is gorgeous, fully painted. This is not wrapped. This is fully painted in the factory white color as well, repainted. So yeah, hell of a job. Props to my guys. Luis, at the age of 13, if you watched our podcast, started being a body man. He put all his effort into this. It was a lot of work, so came out really good for what it was, honestly. So yeah, a few more little things on it, and it's gonna go to the customer. He's gonna be super excited. This is the nicest R8 I've seen in a long time. It's in a nice color combination with those copper lips too. So hope you guys like it, and yeah, that's another crazy build right there. All right guys, as you guys already know, I'm sure RDB Car Club, which is our RDB NFT project, is out. Right now, as we speak, the cars are getting revealed on OpenSea. Whoever held on to them, minted them, they're gonna get their cars now. It's gonna be crazy. You're gonna see it all over the internet. Different cars, one of ones, legendary cars, levels, whatever. But right now, we wanna actually do a giveaway for you guys. We're gonna give you one RDB NFT. Just comment below, say RDB Car Club in the comment, and make sure you have Metaverse. And we're gonna be randomly selecting a winner, and we're gonna send you a free RDB NFT. So get on our YouTube, on this video below, comment RDB Car Club, and then we're gonna send you guys a free NFT. Our NFTs are on fire. It's only uphill from here. We're innovating the space, and it's gonna be crazy. So comment below.
They f***ed up so bad, they couldn't even get a hitch pillar.
So was the bumper crooked or crooky? Which one was it?
Bro, with that broken English, I get what I want.
It's not broken English, it's crushed English.
With the crush English, with the level 1 English, I get what I want. It's terrible English. I get what I want. You guys cannot even get a hitch pillar.
You don't get what you want.
I'm still doing a supplement for the Range Rover. You guys cannot do a
Okay, would you like some Boston water so
Yeah.
you can talk better?
About the Urus, we're telling you.
It's Urus, not Urus.
They're f***ed up.